All right, we're back here in Fish Creek and we're talking about how we designed ride shocks for the best ride quality and went above and beyond industry standards. Today we're going to be talking about the adjuster, which we call the DPA for dual piston. And we're going to go through in detail of what we've done to make sure that the adjuster rides as well as possible, no matter how you've adjusted it, and show you what a difference that makes. So the DPA adjuster works by having the oil flows in through the hose, through the fitting here. And then the first option it has is to go through the low speed needle, which is here. The oil will flow through the low speed needle all the way through both pistons and out into the reservoir with almost no restriction. And then the oil that can't flow through here has to go through the first piston inside of here. Once the oil has gone through the first piston, its next best option is to go out through the high-speed needle, which is here, bypassing the second piston. And then at some point, as you close the knob, the oil will have to flow through the second piston and second set of valve shims. And so that's how we've provided adjustability in the shock while also allowing it to flow a lot of oil and ride very comfortably. So if this is open, most of the oil will flow out here. And then if this knob is closed, then some oil will start flowing through the high-speed valve stack here. And so the things that are controlling ride quality in this are the spaces and volumes and areas inside of here, the size of the two needles, as well as the size and design of the piston. So if we unscrew the adjuster here and we take out the internal parts, we can show you the pistons and shims and kind of how this whole configuration goes together. So here you can see the housing, and it's got some cutaway sections for the oil to flow. And then here we have our pistons, and there are check shims right here so the oil can flow in reverse on rebound because it does need to flow back through. And then we have our pistons here. And if you watched our piston video, we talked extensively about the size and shape of the ports. And again, we spent a lot of effort refining and revising the design of our adjuster piston to make sure that it provides really good comfort and it can get the oil through the piston while still providing you a good range of adjustment. Inside of our DPA adjuster, you noticed that they are typical pistons and shims just like you see on the main piston here. They're linear, we're not preloading any shims, and we did that to achieve the best ride quality possible so that no matter where you've adjusted your shock, you're gonna get a linear response out of it. So it's a proportional amount of performance and stiffness, and that really helps it maintain ride quality no matter where you've got the adjuster set. That was a lot of detail about the adjuster. We've got one more video coming after this, but right now let's show you what this thing does.